Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aiyeesha, and in today's video we're just going to be expressing gratitude. Stepping into the intentional babe era. If you watched a couple of my videos back, you would see that I was feeling a bit happy, and I was just trying to filter in some ways of how to choose to be happy and bring my happiness back. And gratitude, expressing gratitude, is one of those ways of being happy, obviously, because you're thinking about all the things that you're grateful for and all the things that you're happy about and proud of. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. I used to do this every day. I used to wake up every morning and express my gratitude, and that's something I want to do again. But today I'm going to be taking you on a gratitude walk with me. Something I put on my vision board in December last year was that I want to go on more nature walks. Also at the start of the year I was spending a lot of time like going out on my own, like going on solo dates, going to the cinema on my own, and that kind of slowed down because I just stopped doing things for myself. Like, yeah, I have a video talking about this and how I like stopped putting myself first, and it's not something that I noticed until I felt it. Do you know what I mean? So yes, I'm trying to give more time to myself, and here we are. I'm going to go on a nature walk and express some gratitude. I'm going to take my book with me, my book and my paper. I'm going to find a bench. I'm going to write some stuff down as well. But yes, if you don't know what gratitude is, let's get Dr. Google. Okay, so it says here that gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for, and to return kindness. That's what they have in like the dictionary meaning. I'm going to look up some benefits now of expressing gratitude. Benefits of practicing gratitude. Okay, so here it says that in positive psychological research, gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. And that's what I'm trying to do. Like I said, stepping into being an intentional babe. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm excited for the new experience. Gonna go explore some places and areas that I never really go to, stuff that I like always drive past and never know what's really down there. So I'm excited to go and do that, but I am a little bit nervous about vlogging in public. You know, the introvert in me is like screaming, but we're being brave. It's not about them, it's about me taking time for myself. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to bring you guys with me, so stay tuned. Okay, I've made it outside. I'm in the park. It's quite dark out here. I think it's coming up to 5 o'clock. But I guess I'm going to start my gratitude walk. I'm grateful for my feet that carried me to this park. I'm grateful for my body. I'm able, thank the Lord for that. Grateful for my eyes, I can see well, just about. Could be worse. I'm grateful for living to see another day. I'm grateful for my level of self-awareness, allowing me to grow into a better person. I'm grateful for the fact that I feel happier these days since the last time that I put out that video of me being unhappy. Choosing to be happy regardless of what's happening around you is making me feel better. I'm grateful for having easy access to food and water. I'm grateful for my home, like I said before. I'm grateful for new experiences. I've never been to this park before, and I always just walk past it, but I don't know what's here. So I'm here exploring. I'm grateful for this quality time on my own. Oh, it's so nice and quiet out here. I'm grateful for all the great stuff that's happened to me this year and the things that are on my vision board that I'm manifesting and have brought to life. I'm grateful for the relationship that I have with myself. I'm grateful for the relationships that I'm building. Grateful for my family. Grateful for love, to give and to receive. I just walked past that man and I said to give and to receive, and I'm sure that's all he caught of what I was saying, and he probably thought, what the hell is she talking about? Oh, it's nice out here. Nice autumn evening. I'm grateful that it's not raining today while I'm on my gratitude walk. Let's catch the sunlight. Let's switch arms because my hand's hurting me. I'm grateful for this moment, me just being on my own, having some time to think and be grateful, be in this peace, do what I want. Grateful for my mind, the state of my mind, my mental health. I'm grateful that I'm able to create new memories with myself. I'm grateful that I have a great memory. I remember a lot of things. I think now I'm going to explore this park some more. There's still people out and about, so it's okay. I'm not going to be in a danger zone. But yeah, I'm going to explore. Then I'm going to sit down, find a bench and do some writing, some journaling. So I'll be back. sitting on top of the world. Okay, it's getting dark out here, so I'm gonna go home now. Okay, it's getting too dark out, and I literally just saw a fox. It went really quiet. It went really quiet in the park, and then I just saw a fox breeze past, and I'm like, no thank you, not trying to get attacked by a fox today. So I've done what I need to do. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for my life. Thank you for everything. I'm grateful. I hope this video encourages you to express gratitude regardless of any hardships that you're dealing with. Always try and find positive moments and choose to be happy. Okay, I think next time I'm gonna do this in the morning. People are still out and about, riding their bikes like nobody's business, and going for jogs and having their children out, and I'm just trying to be on my gratitude walk in peace and quiet. But anyway, grateful that I actually am feeling in a better mood to pick myself up and get on this walk, and I think I'm going the wrong way. So bye guys, see you later. Love yourself, be yourself always, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out guys.